This is a quick demonstration on how to solder. I've cut the pipe and I've got a little bit of a burr on the outside, but a big burr on the inside from the tubing cutter. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go and I take my deburring tool, or reamer, or whatever you want to call it. I take that edge right off, verify that there's no shavings inside. And I take my external deburring tool, which this does have an internal as well, but I like the deburring pen better than this. So I've taken that edge off, nice little chamfer. And I take my open mesh sand cloth. You can use solid, but this is what I prefer. So I've got that cleaned up real nice. I then take my fitting. In this case, it's my adapter. I use my wire brush, fitting brush. Get the inside of that nice and clean. Then I take the tinning flux. Apply it to the entire interior of the fitting. Apply it to the exterior of the pipe where the fitting is going. Put the fitting on. I take my torch, put most of the heat on the fitting itself, put a little bit of heat on the pipe. If you get close to hot enough, there we go. Doesn't take a lot of solder, but that should have filled it. Okay. So it's still a little bit glossy, meaning that it's still soft when you first set up. There we go. Got a little bit of a frosty look now, so that should be good and solid. Make sure I get all the flux wiped off. And I'm good to go. Just verify that everything looks good. Just clean all the way around. I don't have any gobs inside. And that's how you do a solder joint.